Good morning, good morning. Latte. Morning. Coffee time with Pri. It's Friday. We're gonna put
old cafe latte.
And okay, sige. Old cafe latte.
Thank you.
So coffee right today with a specialized shop. We're gonna go to their shop for the start. It's 4:30. We're gonna leave the hotel at 5. Just waiting for the other guys to come down. We're just gonna have coffee, then wait for the other guys, then roll out to the shop. And bike's all okay. It's been fixed. So again, shout out to Carlo for helping out last night. Yeah, let's go. Grabe maapim. Grabe maapya. 6'3 maapya.
Magandang umaga na naman. Magandang umaga from Singapore.
Morning. Morning. Grabe yung Dubai Ambassador, oh. Grabe, Dubai Ambassador yan. Lahat kinakausap. Morning, morning.
Morning, bro. Morning. Ano na?
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Welcome to the vlog.
RB's vlog. So today we're gonna have a specialized ride with 6'3 and also with guides. So we're having a briefing right now. So stay and you'll see a lot of wonderful things. All right.
Atrevido. Salido con otra, Dime cuánto vale. Que hay puro, que hay duro, que hay jale. Ando dipiado, tú sabes que tengo llave. Aunque chingamos, no te amo, no me nace. Dime cuánto vale. Que hay puro, que hay duro, que hay jale. Ando dipiado, tú sabes que tengo llave. Aunque chingamos, no te amo, no me nace. Y yo no pido perdón porque no te mencionó. La anda buscando porque eso se la llevó. Hay gente mirando porque sé que tengo flow. Pero dime cuánto vale. I don't need ID en la puerta. Dale VIP con la Eva.
What the?
Umabot pa dito yan, hindi pa sinusuli. Perp! Dumayo pa kami ng Singapore.
Oo nga. 7.5 hours tapos pakikita ko puro tiganas.
kasama yan.
Announcement. Welcome to Mayor's.
Welcome to Mayor's, right? This one. Welcome sa ride ni Mayor.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. Welcome.
Nandito po kami ngayon sa Singapore. Medyo nakakatamad na kasi sa Dubai lately. Kaya gusto namin, we flew in like for 7 hours. Sa Singapore kami. Balik din kami bukas. Happy birthday nga pala, Frank.
Ay, happy birthday nga pala.
Hey, birthday niya.
Birthday niya, no? Success. Alright, ride's done. Oh, thank you for the guys from Specialized Shop for having us. Shout out to Rick and the guys from Specialized Shop. Thanks for having us.
Hey, anytime, bro. See you later. See you later.
See ya. Oh, bukas na ba? Bukas na? Bukas na. We're gonna eat. Anong noodles to, pre? Anong noodles yan?
Bihon.
Ah, okay, okay. So we're having noodles and eggs, chili with egg. Uy, buko!
With soya juice.
Ah, masarap.
Masarap. Basta libre, masarap.
Ito. Yeah. I see you again.
Ready, specialized.
Oh, dito? Stop pa tayo dito? Stop pa tayo dito?
Hindi, makapirma lang daw kayo eh.
Hey, Riwan, one more. Guys, Riwan. Sige lang, bibidyo ko eh.
Okay, bye. Padala mo sa asawa. Padala mo sa asawa.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Because I also follow your
Yeah.
One more piece.
Let's go!
Ina, sino bang malit?
Stopping! Diretso tayo, diretso! Alright, we're here. Ano to, Marina Bay? Marina Bay pa to? Okay, we're in Marina Bay near the Merlion Park. Here with the gang. Let's go!
Guys, ito nga pala yung Marina Bay Sands. Alam ko, taga Dubai. Normal sa inyo to. So,
Ayan,
look at
ayan.
this.
Oh.
We have a ship on top of the building, you know?
MR building to eh. Skyview Hotel ba yan?
Skyview Hotel.
Skyview.
Sa labi sa taas.
May slide dyan, di ba?
Yan. Slide dyan. Pag ganun, no?
Ay, hindi nakawano. Ka nga. Saan na tayo, pre?
Merlion.
Merlion. Hindi kasi ako taga dito. Ito yung ano natin, local tour guide.
Yeah, this is our like one of the best spot here in Singapore. And no, just kidding. We're all
Ice cream? Let's go! You're in Singapore, so you have to have the ice cream sandwich. It's a must.
yeah, it's like having rice together with your noodles.
Yeah.
Same.
Same, but different.
Dessert.
Ice cream sandwich. Oh, thank you. So this is the ice cream sandwich. This is chocolate.
Thank you.
So we're when you're in Singapore, you have to try of course, you have to try the ice cream sandwich. We have this in the Philippines, right?
Oh.
Yeah, we do this. We do this thing in the Philippines as well, where you put ice cream on the bread. But this one is they slice it. The ice cream is sliced like a bread as well. All right, that is it for the ride. This morning's ride. We're going back to the hotel. We're gonna change and go out, possibly shopping. And we're going inside the mall to ride a bike. Yeah, here's the mall. There's a bike track inside the mall. We're going inside the mall. There you go. So we're inside the mall riding a bike. So cool. That's cool, yeah? Ito yung mga kainan na to. Siyempre, no? It's cool.
You mention my name. You mention your name, huh? Tony. Yes. Uncle Tony. One more piece.
Thanks, Joey. Parang gusto ko yung duck eh. Saan tayo kakain? Either here or here. Thank you. Chicken rice. So we got a bit of a problem. We have to buy shorts. Yeah, have to buy shorts because sat down on a chocolate, and I was wearing white shorts. Maganda naman yung shirt. Yun nga lang, napilitan akong bumili kahit wala akong planong bumili.
Yun yung nakakabuisit na.
Coffee?
Sino? Cappuccino.
I'll have one. Latte? Yeah.
One latte, 2 cappuccino. How's the meta?
It's good. I like this better because I can wear it on a ride and I can wear it outside because the other one is a bit...
It's so cool as well.
Thank you so much, bro. Alright. Oh, thank you so much. Thanks. Getting this, and we're getting shorts. Grabe shopping sila. Shopping. Ikaw pre, tapos ka na?
Lahat ng mga hindi pa nagbayad, charge sa akin.
Okay na ako eh. Ayun na yung sa akin, no?
Taga dito.
Sa pre?
Sa bro.
Si Zen Paul, bro, si Dan.
May social ride yung sa TDF.
Okay.
Oh, so yun. Ayo. Magkita tayo after. Afternoon naman, ano. Sige pre.
Kita tayo bukas,
Kita tayo bukas. Oo.
Kapampangan niya rin taga Angeles.
May ano na? Oy, lahat pa may ano? Yung dala? Permitted siya.
Tapos mag-i-off ko,
Ganun din. May meta.
turn off the video.
Yung ping niya.
Just on time, don't worry,
Hello.
breathe, don't worry.
You're in a hurry.
No. Now you can relax.
Yeah, exactly.
Don't
It was nice to see you again. Thank you so much.
There's a drink. There's a drink and then food here.
Okay, great.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks.
safety brief for the regional challenge, and after that, I'll need the KOLs to stay behind for the KOL brief. So we're gonna start with Jeff, and Jeff will KOL right as well. So just a little bit on that, but mostly on the team challenge. So okay, yeah.
Mafia here for the first time. We've got 3 Chinese teams here for the first time, right? Just really network, interact with each other. Alright, it's a community. We are bringing the entire Southeast Asia over here. Really from Dubai, right? And China, right? We are all here, so please help each other, right?
Winning meet and greet, a private meet and greet session tomorrow with Mark Cavendish. So really, Street Mafia,
Happy birthday, Kap. Yup. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Espera. Ay, bakit?
Marquee. Ay, grabe na yung naka-costume mo. Jollibee! May mga naka-costume mo. May clown tsaka ano. Nandito na si Jollibee, oh.
Mahal tayo ni Jollibee.
We're in Clarke. So we're gonna have some dinner. There's now a costume party here. Everyone's in costume. We have Jollibee here. Bida ang saya. Yung pa, sayaw. Yeah, so we're just gonna have dinner and then go back to the hotel and be ready for the ride tomorrow morning. Oh yeah, because it's Halloween, so everyone's in costume. Everyone's in their best costume. Tayo, pre.
Nasa Riverside po.
Nasa Riverside po.
Happy birthday, Rick. Happy birthday, Rick.
Ha?
Greet mo si Pri. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pri. Happy birthday, bro. Nabigyan ka ng regalo, ah. Amin na ni Arby yun.
Ayun, yun. Bigay ako ng regalo kay Rex.
Happy birthday, Cobb!
To the wounds that never heal.
Masarap talaga pag libre, pre.
Matik.
Masarap ng beer, pre.
Pre, asal to
Di ba yung lasa, no?
Ito.
Ayan, pre, masarap yan.
Hapon kumain ako dito, pakit.
Ngayon.
That's it for today. See you in the Tour de France weekend.
Let's go! Guys, see you on the next one. Peace!